Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Look at that dent. I think it's tore up from the floor up, man. But we'll get it. We will get it. All right, go ahead. All right, so we've got a little bit of hazing here. Look how tight those lines are right there. And we still got this nice pinch right there. We're gonna use a sharp tip to tap that down. So we're looking at this tool, right? This is yeah, it's a good suggestion because you're giving a good angle on that. A little bit, but just stay smaller, tighter pushes. That way you're not going to do a lot of cleanup in the end. So, because it's moving.
No, yeah, problem is I was leveraging off my hand, and that's kind of difficult.
Now hold on a second. Hold on. I got something. What do you think? That leverage, that bend down, dude.
It's good. Like, it made all the difference. It'll probably be cleaner too.
So it's cooperating, dude.
Right.
I'm just paying attention to that. You know what I'm paying attention more than the low?
What?
Is the shoulders. If the shoulders are super tight, I'm tapping down again. And that crown killer is legit. Still got to think about, we were talking about in the car, I was like, hey, this repair might take us hours to do right now. We do another repair, take us half the hours. Do a third, fourth, fifth. We keep shaving time. Dude, that's looking really good.
I like to get back.
Gives you kind of a look right there, what he's doing right there. Look at that. La-da-dee. Da-da. So I'm gonna use this tool right here. No trickery here. I was pushing it out with this right here. You can see that this dent is pretty much gone. Let's see. I think there's no more dent now. Let's take a look at Bobby's thing, because his repair, it's getting really good. And then we're gonna sand down a little bit up here, down here. Hell of a job, Bobby. Hell of a job, dude.